Guys, welcome back to another drone flight of One True Legend. Today we are here in Chislehurst in Southeast London in London Borough of Bromley. So without further ado, let's take off. Alright, so we're up in the sky, as you can see right here. So I've flown in this borough before. I've flown in Crystal Palace and that's pretty much it. I haven't really done this borough that much. And yeah, I was going to go to the town centre and I thought it might take a bit of distance, and I thought it was a bit windy, and I thought it was better to just fly in an area like this. Oh my god, you know what, literally it wasn't that windy a second ago, and it literally got gusty right now. So I'm not gonna go that high, because when I go high the gusts tend to be stronger. So I'm gonna do 365. I hope it doesn't fail. The gust happens as soon as I take off the drone, which is so annoying. I hope this completes, because if it doesn't complete, then I'm just wasting my battery. I remember I did this a couple of times in Watford Gap. I ended up not completing the 365. Alright, 365 is now complete. Let's just fly around in Chislehurst in the London Borough of Bromley. So let's just go down towards here. There's a little pond down there. We'll just keep going down. I was going a little bit up because just to get a higher elevation. And yeah, it's a nice sunny day here. I mean, I was going to go to Bromley, but the sun's going to go lower down in the sky, so that's why I'm just doing it here. And I'll probably do it in Bromley another time. Because Bromley's a bit of a distance, but when you take the super loop, it actually is quite quick to get there. Not going to lie. So there's a little place down here. We're just going to fly around Chislehurst in the London Borough of Bromley. Get a 360 shot of this. Nice little vibe here. So we'll just go down towards here now. There's a Sainsbury's in this area. Maybe I could have flown from this car park, but I think here is better because it's a nice and open area. Let's go towards the neighbourhood of Chislehurst West. I'm going to definitely stand in the shade because I'm not wearing any sunscreen today. Completely forgot. Let's explore the neighbourhood of Chislehurst. What we'll do, we're just gonna explore this area. Actually, no, we'll just come back. Actually, let's get a shot this side. Just come back towards down here. Follow this silver car back. What else should we get a shot of? Should we get a shot of this area down here? A nice little area here in Southeast London. The little forest down there as well, we'll get a shot of that area after. We'll get a shot of the treetops. So we've got a tennis court right over here. What else have we got down here? Look at this amazing shot. Going this way and this way. Let's go down towards there. What's this bike down there? I mean, I thought it was a motorbike, but or quad bike or something, but then I realised probably just a normal thing that you can get a shot of anyway. You know what? I think it's actually nice to get a shot when you're low down to the ground. I might go lower down to the ground in a bit, because usually I just fly up high in the sky, which is a bit too high for the video, so I think I might just come back now. We'll just turn around quickly. Get a nice shot in this area. I'm going to go to the other side so that we get a nice shot from of the treetops on the other side. Where's the town of Chislehurst? I might go down there after. Nice little pond in that area as well. Got a loud car going through there as well. Let's get a shot of that. Let's go through the forest area. Got a little roundabout here, look at that. Nice little shot in it. Actually, before we land, we're going to get a shot of that. Let's just follow the cars going down here. So we've got another lake down here. We'll get a shot of that lake really quickly. Nice little shot here. It's like a mixture of rural area and suburban. Look at that, look at that. That's a sick shot. And we should have done it in high noon, then we would have seen the road and the cars go past. So it's gonna go down here. Let's get a shot, top down shot. Look at that. Oh, that is sick, look at that. That is a sick shot. I would like to get a shot where the trees are also sunny as well as the cars. Actually, even here we got a shot of the cars where it's sunny. Amazing, isn't it? That is a sick shot. Go to the other side. We've got a Chislehurst War Memorial. Actually, when I walked past there, I saw that it was called Chislehurst War Memorial. In the London Borough of Bromley. My last drone flight I just done in London Borough of Bexley, neighbouring borough, Southeast London. Actually, where I did a shot in Sidcup, that was a nice little drone flight as well. But there's a lot of places where there's the station name and it's far from the town centre. Like Greenford, when I flew in Greenford, the station was far from the town centre. I wanted to go to the town centre, so I just went to the town centre, and the station area is a completely different area, so I might do that in the future. Even like areas like northwest London, there's a station called Harlesden in London Borough of Brent in northwest London, and that area, the station's called Harlesden, but then there's another station called Willesden Junction, and that's actually near the town centre of Harlesden. So that's another example where towns are far away from the station name. Look at that nice shot where the field is. Look at that, that's a sick, nice, open scenery shot. That is an amazing shot, look at that. Then we've got the countryside. Alright, we're just gonna get a top-down shot. Then we just turn around. Oh, I hate when that happens. Like I press the top down button, it doesn't happen sometimes. It like doesn't respond. I know it's not the controller because it's making that beeping noise. I remember the same thing happened when I was flying in Burnt Oak in North London, northwest. Look at that sick shot. A nice little open area to fly. It's like a scenic flight. You can see the treetops. Let's get a shot of the treetops in this area. There's a little gazebo here. Look at it. Let's get a shot of that gazebo. See these little things that you just get a shot of, and it just makes the flight look 100 times better. Right, the sun's gone away now. Perfect time to end the drone flight anyway. Big cloud has just appeared. Something about that looks special where the sun's just in one spot. It's just crazy to see something like that. Let's get a shot of this Waitrose truck. I can tell it's a Waitrose. That's a sick shot. What we'll do is get a shot of the area down there. It's very nice and open, this area, look at that. Let's get a shot of the neighbourhood of Chislehurst. And we just turn back now in a bit. Let's get a nice shot of this green area. It's good to get like a nice countryside shot. Look at that. Alright, we'll just turn back now. The battery's going to run low in a minute. Seems that the sun's gone down. See, the way we follow the car like that, it's like a movie. No, I actually rate that. Alright, let's come back home now. Let's get a top-down shot of this area. Only problem is what's wrong with this button? I don't understand. Sometimes it works, sometimes I think what's happening is that it's too windy and it just doesn't do it. It doesn't give me an error message or anything. It just doesn't do it because it's just designed to just ignore it if it's too windy. Or if the wind's physically too strong. I want to get a nice sunny shot of that little roundabout area where I'm flying next to, but it's gone cloudy now. Doesn't really look that nice when it's cloudy, innit? You understand what I mean? That's why I always fly on a sunny day. I mean, we do get a lot of cloudy days in the UK, but the fact that I fly on every sunny day, I just make the UK look like it's sunny 24/7, even though it's clearly not. Let's get a shot in the middle of the roundabout. Get a nice little shot here. Look at that. Something about that is special. Look at that. We'll just stay in the middle. We'll come down now. See, look at that shot. Amazing, isn't it? Imagine I go in sports mode in the middle of the roundabout. Look at that. Imagine I just land what I did in Brentwood. Imagine I did that. That'd be crazy. Let's get a nice little shot of the one car coming past. Then we'll just land it quickly. Nice shot, look at that. I don't think any. Wait, let's wait for that van to come. And then that mini. Alright, let's just land the drone now. Don't hit the bird. Let's go behind it because we don't want to land in the grass quickly. Let's land it quick. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in London Borough of Bromley in South East London, Chislehurst. I hope you enjoyed this drone flight, and yeah guys, I'll speak in the next one. Thank you for watching.